Hi there, I'm Jack from Twinkl, and in today's video we're taking a look at some resources you can use to support your child's learning on World Oceans Day, an annual event held every 8th of June to raise awareness of issues affecting our oceans. Start off with this presentation or this assembly pack, either to support a small group of learners or a much larger group of learners on the day. These are a great place to start as they explain the importance of the day in a child-friendly way. What issues do our oceans face? Included in this pack is a presentation and an accompanying script for the presenter to follow along with. The script suggests questions you can pose your learners on each slide to prompt discussion. The script also contains the aim for the assembly, as well as some resources you can gather to prepare for the assembly, like some Oceans Day videos or stories, or some ocean-themed music. Then you can work through the presentation with your learners. Identify each ocean of the world, why they're at risk, and what we can do to take action. Twinkl have a wide range of Oceans Day and ocean-themed resources to support wider learning on the day and across the curriculum. Start off with this resource pack, a compilation of some of the most popular Oceans Day resources on the Twinkl website, including a fact file, a template to write their own fact file about ocean creatures, photos and banners for display, and much more. The resource pack also contains a reading comprehension activity to support literacy, and over on the Twinkl website you can find further reading comprehension activities differentiated for both lower and upper Key Stage 2 children. There are lots of resources to support the habitat topic in science or the seaside topic in geography, such as this Layers of the Ocean PowerPoint. How can the ocean be split into layers? What makes each layer different? And what different sea creatures live in each layer? What makes them adapted for different parts of the ocean? You could find each ocean on this map of the world. And for a slightly different approach, something that will really highlight the significance of the day and why it is so important to take action right now, try this quiz, full of facts that will shock your learners and some really important information. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like this video if you found it useful and subscribe to the Twinkl Key Stage 2 YouTube channel for more videos just like this one.